Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHACharjee 1906, friends. Okay. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon so whenever I update a new video, you will get a notification, friends. Okay. Friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called how will a person know if he or she is proud. So this topic I've covered. So friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called how does one acquire humility. So this topic I'm going to cover, friends. Okay. So and this is 193 number video and the topic is how does one acquire humility. So let's see what Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari. Open the subconscious mind. When you operate from the subconscious mind, humility will become a natural state of existence for you. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagri that we should open our subconscious mind, and when we operate from our subconscious mind, at that point of time humility becomes a natural state of existence for us, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagri. Pray, uh, pray when you pray genuinely and regularly. You are constantly aware of that fact that you are created by God. This will keep you humble. So, whenever we should pray regularly to God, friends. Okay, so whenever we pray to God regularly, so it keeps an understanding in our mind that we are the creation of His creation, right? And we are His child, and we can easily be humble by the feeling of admiring the higher entity that is God, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagri. Understand coexistence and unity. God created everyone equal, so we should understand the importance of coexistence and equality, because God have created everybody to us everybody as equally, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagri. So the moment you consider yourself superior or someone else, there is a flaw in your thinking. So the moment we consider someone ourselves superior or someone else a small entity, so that means there is a problem in our thinking, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagri. We all come to earth with different gifts for our own test, training and mission, so there is no question of being superior. So we also come in this earth with different gift, with different test, training and mission for our growth and development of a spiritual career, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagri. So there is no important of thinking somebody else superior or somebody else inferior, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagri. Learn how to serve others. The ego want to fulfill its own desire, but humility leads you to the path of service. So we should learn to serve others, right? Because our ego wants to fulfill its own desire, but the humility leads to the path of service, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari. Be open and understand someone else's point of view. So friends, we should be open and we should always understand someone else's point of view, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari. Accept your flaw, only then you can change. So we should accept our mistakes in our life, friends. Okay, so what mistake we are doing, then only we can change in our life, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari. Always be open to spiritual knowledge. A humble person is always a student. So friends, we should always be open to a spiritual knowledge, and a humble person is always a student. So we should always, like a student, we should always try to learn different things, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari. However, do not go too deep into spirituality. But however, we should not go too much deep into spirituality, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khorshid Bhavnagari. What we mean by this is, do not stuck do not get stuck in the theory. As a student, practice whatever you have learned step by step. So here do not to going deep into spirituality. The meaning of this, which Vipsi and Ratu want to convey to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari, is that do not get stuck into theories, right? Try to do the solve the thing practically, friends, in the life. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. After you practice what you have learned, you are strengthening the spirit. So once we have practiced, friends, whatever we have learned, we are strengthening our spirit, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. But if you get obsessed with the knowledge alone and do not work on changing yourself from within, you are strengthening the ego. So, if we get obsessed from the knowledge within ourselves, and we do not work in changing ourselves from within inside, that means we are strengthening the ego, friends, and which is not at all correct, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Be compassionate, keep others feeling in mind, be considerate and understanding their situation. So we should be compassionate, friend, and we should keep other feelings in mind and considered and understand their situation, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Have patience. Keep in the mind that people are at different stages of spiritual development. So we should have patience, and we should keep in mind that each and every person are in the different stages of spiritual development, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari, and that their test, training and karma are different, and their everybody's test, training and karma is completely different, friends. So we should be humble with everybody. So if we do not find a person who is not good in something, we should not think that person are inferior, or if we find some person very good in something, we should not feel anybody superior, because everybody's spiritual test, training and karma is completely different, friends, and we do not know, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. They also have varying level of spiritual knowledge. Do not judge them, help them grow. So everybody have a different level of spiritual knowledge, and we should not judge anybody, and we should help everybody grow, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. When something good happens to you, or when you achieve something in earthly world, always thank God. So when anytime any good thing happens with us, friends, or anytime we achieve something in this earthly world, we should always thank God, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. And also thank the people on the earth and in the spirit world who have helped you. So we should always thank the people on the earth and even on the spirit world who have helped us, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. When you are unsure of something, ask for advice from a person you trust. So whenever we are unsure, friend, about any certain thing, we should ask from a person whom we trust, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Today, one of the main problem is that people are too proud to ask for help or advice. So in our today's society, friend, the biggest problem is that today the people are so much proud that they do not want to ask for advice to other people, because they think that if we ask the advice from them, we are going to be small, friends. Okay, but it's not like that, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Anytime in your life, if you think that you want advice from somebody, just go and ask. Don't afraid, or don't feel that I will become small in front of that soul, friends. Okay, because as a soul, we all are equal, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. They see it as a sign of weakness. It requires strength to be open about the fact that you need help. So they feel that this is a sign of weakness, and um, they need this needs a strength of fact that to open in front of other people that we need help, right, friends? So for asking advice, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. But not asking for help and convincing yourself that you can go through problem without anyone's help. So we should ask from help, that we should not convince ourselves that we in our problem we cannot go without the help of any other person, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. Is a sign of pride, right? So this is a sign of pride when we think that that yourself that you can go through problem without anybody's help. So many a time we think, no, I don't need anybody, I can go further in my life without the help of anybody. So it is a sign of pride, friends. Okay, and the sign of humility and the sign of humility is asking people for help whenever we are in problem, friends. Okay, so this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari. Surrender to God. Do your best to stay on the right path. So we should always surrender everything to God, our karma to God, and we should always do, and we should always try to stay in the right path, friends. Okay. So this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari. But know that the outcome is in God's hand. But we should also know that outcome is all in the God's hand, friends. Okay. So this Ipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari. His plan is of a higher nature than what you have in mind. So his plan is of a higher nature. So whatever we have in our mind, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari. Spirituality involves crushing of the ego, and that can be a terrifying thing for people who are pride. So spiritually involve, friends, in crushing out the ego, and that can be a very dangerous thing of the people those who are in the pride, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari. So if you are very proud, it will be very difficult for you to embark on a spiritual journey. So if we are very much proud, friends, so it is going to be very much difficult for us to embark in the spiritual journey, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari. It is not possible for a proud person to change, but a proud person will have to work hard to change, because the ego will work extra hard to prevent you from changing. So it is not that that proud person cannot change, friends. Okay, proud person can change, but for changing the proud person, it is going to be more difficult, because the ego of the proud person is going to work at each and every point of time and making tell that why you want to change, what is there wrong in this life, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is trying to make us understand via Koshal Bhavnagari. For years and years, you have been rooted in the physical materialistic world by your ego. So for years and years, friends, we are being rooted in our spiritual and materialistic world by our ego, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari. Spirituality is about cutting those roots and growing new ones out of a higher understanding. So the spirituality is basically cutting those roots and letting us grow from of a higher understanding by cutting those roots and developing a new roots of spirituality, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari. There can be no true flight with ego. So there cannot be no true flight with ego, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari. Humility helps you take flight and at the same time keep you grounded. So humility help us to take a flight and also keep in the same time keep us grounded and keep us down the earth, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagari, friends. Okay, so friends, in our today's topic, I have covered the concept called how does one acquire humility. So this topic. And friends, in our next video, I'm going to cover the topic called the shift of the axis. This is a new chapter. So I will be covering each and every topic, overall chapter, what I will be covering. After that, I will be covering topic one by one, friends. Okay. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay, and friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video, so if you come sequence wise 1 2 3 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay, and friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever you update a new video, you'll get a notification. So this brings to end of today's video. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends, and stay blessed, friends. Okay, goodbye.